Again, something which is in news, like ethanol blending program. Ethanol blending program. See, topics are very dry. I can't help it. But we have to do it. Ethanol blending program. Why I am discussing this? Let me give you the reason. Some time back, Mr. Gadkari, you know, Minister of Surface Transport and Highways, am I right? He made a statement that government is looking to make blending mandatory up to the level of 22.5% in case of petrol and 15% in case of diesel. Now, obviously, in this case, it is petrol. Now, the question here is, what exactly they are going to blend in petrol and diesel? That's the question. Obviously, here in this case, they are going to blend ethyl alcohol. And in this case, they are going to blend biodiesel. Biodiesel and ethyl alcohol, obviously, they are two different entities. Just listen, just listen. Ethyl alcohol, obviously, do we use grain-based ethyl alcohol, grain-based like those cereals? No. There is no permission for the use of grain-based ethyl alcohol to be blended, because that is obviously that food security part will come into play over there. What we are looking over here, we are looking to have this cane and molasses. Mostly it is molasses. Molasses, which is a byproduct of sugar industry. That fermentation is being carried out. What about biodiesel? Let me give you, see, sometimes they trap you over here. I know you might be thinking I'm wasting your time, but I'm sure we will be able to click one or two questions. Like, see here. In biodiesel, it sounds like generic. Again, you people have the generic idea. But let's be very specific. Biodiesel is still divided into three generations. Three generations. What biodiesel is biodiesel. Ethyl alcohol is ethyl alcohol. It is always going to be C2H5OH. Nothing will change into that. So first generation biodiesel is obtained from edible oil. And in India, you will never find first generation biodiesel, because as per the biofuel policy of 2009, there is no permission for the conversion of edible oil into biodiesel. What we are focusing at, please come on, the name of that species, we are focusing on Jatropha curcus. So ours basically is second generation biodiesel, which is about extracting oil from Jatropha, and that will be used for this purpose. And third generation is only a concept known as algal fuel. So algal fuel is always going to be biodiesel. It will never be, obviously, this ethanol blending program. Now come to this part, please. Ethanol blending program, what is the status of ethanol blending? Please come on. What is the target? Now I will be asking the question just to engage you people. What is the target? PT aage aap logon 20%. Target is 20%. What was the deadline? 2017. This was the deadline. We are in 2017. What is the status? We have been able to achieve only 10% of the blending. 10% of the blending. That's why obviously these things. What about biodiesel? What is the status of biodiesel? Please come on. PT नहीं देना 18 जून को. थोड़ा जो कॉपी में लिखवाया जाता है उसे पढ़ा भी करो. That is for study purpose. Listen here. For biodiesel, actually, the status is B5. B5 means 5% biodiesel. Okay. And some places B100. B100 means 100% biodiesel. 100% biodiesel means running only on this thing. Here you will never find E100. E100 means only on ethyl alcohol. You can't have a vehicle. Okay, fine. So B5. Who is using B100? Please come on. Railways. Now you are back. Shipping Corporation of India and state transport corporations, they are using the B100. Okay, what is the problem with biodiesel? Mechanical engineers sitting on that side. Efficiency is lower. What about if you will use this biodiesel in December in Europe? Clouding. Clouding means it starts becoming more viscous. What about the sulfur? No, in biodiesel. What about particulate matter? No. What about nitrogen? Yes, nitrogen will be there because it is obtained from biomass. Biomass means protein. Proteins mean amino acid. Amino acid means nitrogen. Okay, there is one more term. I'm just like just 1 minute. Green diesel. What is the difference between biodiesel and green diesel? Just a quick refurbishing, like revisiting the concepts. Green diesel is chemically alike diesel, but obtained from biomass. It has been approved for the use in the aviation sector. Okay, so now this is it. So question ऐसे आएंगे. This is how they will. अब आपने क्या करते हो? You have just read this line. And happy I have completed today's newspaper. He will not be asked, Mr. Gadkari has set the target for blending as this. No, obviously we need to know the concept. This you need to pick up the concept. Fine.